There are many surfaces which you will be required to clean, sanitize, and/or disinfect. A few of these surfaces will be entrance glass, handrails, furniture, light switches, and water fountains. All of these are primarily touch points. Therefore, they are fomite-type surfaces holding threats against human health. Fomites are inanimate objects that transfer disease. Fomites could be shared pencils, towels, or contact surfaces like door handles, railings, and light switches. These surfaces, along with other hand contact areas, must be cleaned, sanitized, and/or disinfected on a daily basis. This is best done by using color-coded microfiber wipers and squirting the cleaning agent into the wiper, not on the surface. Once the surface has been serviced, discard the wiper into the laundry for cleaning and reuse. Check with your supervisor for the right method or product you as a professional technician should be using. Surfaces such as vents and window blinds are not thought of as fomites by most. However, they collect dust which is laden with bacteria and is spread throughout a facility via the air. It is therefore just as important to remove the dust, as explained earlier, from these surfaces using best practices, that being HEPA vacuums. Stairwells and staircases are a major collection area for this type of dust on these surfaces and must be vacuumed with a HEPA filtered unit from the top down. Many times you will find that the handrails will need to be vacuumed prior to being cleaned and sanitized with product and wiper.